was able for the first time to see his face in the newspaper and really confirm my suspicions that it was him. Seeing his face took me back to that conversation. Clearly, and it was definitely him.
I think he carried it out as an act of revenge. It was bad enough, that 2 people died, but all 5 could have died.